This is Mike Lyons with Smart Meetings TV, and we're here at Smart Meeting West National in Las Vegas, Nevada, Planet Hollywood. And I am here with the one and only Donald Contursi, who is the founder and owner of Lip Smacking Foodie Tours, which is the hottest thing going on in Las Vegas. Seriously, folks. Donald came up with an idea back, 5, 6 years ago?
4.
4 years ago.
Almost 5.
Whoa, excuse me, Donald, correcting me. But it is a miracle how fast this company and this concept has taken off. So tell us a little bit about the background and how you came up with the concept of doing these tours, this culinary adventure. It's truly a VIP experience.
It is. I worked in restaurants here in Vegas, and I know a lot about the different restaurants, and why not show people around my hometown and take them to the best places? And it's been a curated experience where we've raised the bar. We have the chef come out and explain the food. Yeah. No waiting, you walk right in, served your cocktails right away. You get a tasting menu of the signature dishes, and then as we go between the resorts, we give a tour along the way. So little tidbits that you may never know otherwise.
So it's a walking tour, which is very cool, and people here in Vegas take their drinks with them. Is that correct?
That's right. Yep. Bring them right into the next restaurant.
Yep. And I was looking at your brochure, and you actually have 4 main that you have right now, 4 tours. Explain a little bit about those.
So we have during the day or at night. At night, that's when it's really VIP, when the restaurants are busy and you notice walking right in. Right. That's at Aria and Cosmopolitan, so we stay between those 2 resorts, lunch or dinner. And then we have a tour downtown, which showcases all the new restaurants that just opened up over the past few years. You hear a little bit about historic Vegas.
Which is a totally different Vegas than the Strip.
It is. And a lot of our groups, when we'll shuttle them from the Strip downtown, they get back on their shuttle 3 hours later, and they're like,
who knew?
Who knew? Yeah. And they'll never forget that.
Right, exactly. So the other great thing worth mentioning is I was looking, TripAdvisor has you up here. I mean, it's incredible. You're getting reviews, best tour, best food and beverage tour. You're getting all these accolades from everybody in town and then some. So I'm sure you're a little amazed at this happening so quickly for you.
It's been incredible. We went from leisure business to lots of group business, up to 150 people in one group alone, and it is the highest rated thing that you'll find on TripAdvisor. Almost 1,800 reviews to date, still not an average, a poor or a terrible, which is pretty unheard of.
That is unheard of.
But with the restaurants that we have in Las Vegas, bringing to 4 of the best, have the chef come out. We even have one with a helicopter after. It's really kind of hard to You
can't compete with that. So I think for those meeting professionals that are watching, if you're really looking for something unique when you bring your group to Las Vegas, take a look at Lip Smacking Foodie Tours, because this is the tour and the event, and it's great for team building and networking and so forth. So,
well, one of the things that we hear, yes, the food is great, the tidbits are great, but it's important for planners that their group interact. So at every restaurant, they'll have the opportunity to sit by somebody different. So it's very immersive, and it's an experience. It's all about experiences. Everybody's all about the food. So when you combine a food experience in Las Vegas and something nobody's ever experienced before, you have to join us.
You got a real winner. Well, Donald, thank you so much.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
And we wish you continued success. This is such an awesome concept, and we appreciate you spending a few minutes with us here on Smart Meetings TV. Signing off now, Donald and Mike here from Planet Hollywood.
Thank you.